So I talked these guys into going down to lane 20 and grabbing a couple bowling balls. I want to see who's more accurate today, and today only, between Jesper and Kyle. They're going to come down to lane 20. Oh, speed and arrows. So let's see how accurate they are at the arrows and on their ball speed over 3 shots. All right, so here we go. Look at these guys. These guys just get ball reaction, don't they? Don't forget, this is put on by Ipsia, and this is the Doubles Specto. We're going to do a little accuracy test with Jesper and Kyle on speed and arrows. So 18.4 and board 19. All right, that was the first shot.
This might be I might have a slight advantage.
Okay, all right.
He's throwing resin, not pitch like a...
Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay. Okay, so that was shot number 1. Shot number 2. All right, that was probably a little inside. That's all right. They've been bowling quite a bit today, too. That's still pretty close. Yeah, just a little slower, but really pretty accurate. Yeah, 0.2 mile an hour. That wasn't much difference on the speed at all.
Range of the arrows is 210.
Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? All right, so third and final shot here. And don't forget, this is the Specto, and here are his first 2 shots. Third shot. And where are we at? Look at that, though. I mean, guy was within a half a board over 3 shots. That's pretty good. Ball speed was right there within half a mile an hour. That's why they're pros, ladies and gentlemen.
1.6 at the arrows.
Speed was 0.8 difference. Wow, that's great. That's why they're on TV every week and we're watching. All right, Kyle's going to get his 3 shots here. And the first one, 18.1 and 23.5. Oh.
Now the problem is I can't move left from there. So I gotta try to hit the same spot.
Oh, that's right. That's... All right, shot number 2. Yeah, he doesn't care if he leaves the same pin. He wants to be accurate right here. Oh, look at that. Almost identical. Yeah, that's identical, isn't it? Look at that guy. Wow. All right, here we go on the last shot. That's right. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I would say, I'd say we have.
That's why accuracy, power.
That's right. That's right, man. I really appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Yeah. What was the difference? What was the difference on that one?
I had about a like 0.7 differential. Within 0.5.
0.5. Holy cow.
But that's where I'm slacking. He's probably got me by 100 right there, folks.
On the rev rate. There
Yeah.
you go. Exactly. All right. Well, that was great,
Thank you,
man.
sir, man.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
Enjoyed it.
All right. Thanks, Jesper.